plants, there's soil, and all the plants are growing above the water level. And the indoor is like aquatic plants, no sunshine, no soil, and all the plants are submerged totally inside the water. That's the basic two difference. So I'll start with the indoor water plant, and at the same time I think I'll do the floral arrangement which is floating, because after that my hands would be in soil. So this is, transparent. Whenever you buy, it could be a fish bowl, it could be a flat oval container like this, it could be cylindrical. And when you choose, make sure that when you buy a jar, the rim is thick enough, so then you know that it is hardy. Like you go pick up something from Lajpat Nagar, I would request you, it's a little cheaper than other places, but then your container does crack. The quality is not that way. So either you get it from aquariums or from exhibition, or there's a shop also in Khan Market where they have these jars. And I'm sure, most of these malls would be having, I'm not very sure because I don't have the time to go to malls and things. So during exhibition, Diwali Mela at Dine School also, there are people who come and sell these jars. So you could pick up one from there. Once you've done, it's a thing that do not use Vim powder, use liquid dishwashing, Vim or whatever. Clean your container, wash it thoroughly, and then, because this is going to be aquatic, you need sand for it. And also, ladies, I request you, when you're making it, no metal bangles, or whenever you're use plastic. Like a glass also should be plastic, not steel, because every time you're knocking, and putting things in it, it's going to bang into this and you lose your. And once you made it also, remember that always hold your container from the base and never, like from top, because the base becomes heavy. So you'll have a container in your hand and your products on the floor. But I'm sure, with trial and error, I think one learns faster. So if you forget and you have a broken thing, you'll remember next time not to do that. Okay, so now when you've washed your container and all that, you can just fill a little water before throwing in the sand or chips, right? Now, if these days you don't get the blue chips which I have, these are those, the swimming pool has those square, tiles like thing, and that's crushed. So gently lower your hand and empty the sand into your water. Now in the aquariums you have the white sand. You can use that, because with that also, today, because I have to do 3 demos, I can't do a white sand one, because that is as attractive. Limited time and too many things to do, so I will do one.
Sorry, no?
Maximum benefit.
बहुत busy रहती है नंदिता जी, and it's so difficult to get a date from her.
You could have an even layer or an uneven layer, whatever, like. When you buy the sand from the aquarium, make sure that it's washed
properly.
And then you put the aquatic plants. Now this is the Amazon. It grows, like inside the water also and above the water level. So you just move your sand a wee bit and then cover the roots, just like how you do your planting in the garden with the soil. And it should be deep enough, because when you fill water and you haven't covered it well, it will start floating on top. So that's the only care that you need to do. This is called the Ludbekia.
Ludbekia.
What is this name? Ludbekia, Ludeberkia. Then, it's not necessary that you need to put all the plants. Go to the aquarium and see what they have. The most common is this one, which is called the Kumbha. Okay, this, most of the aquarium will have it, and they will also have the Amazon. So once you've done that, then you need to put the artifacts.
I thought this would be here.
We need to repeat the spelling for Ludbekia, Mrs.
Now, the coral these days are not commercially sold. If you've had a piece which is lying around, and most of the army officers, they get posted into, places where you could get the corals, or you're going on a holiday, maybe if you go to Manila, Philippines, you'll get this. So you could use that, or the Chinese and the Japanese, they take advantage of what is scarce in the market, and they've started making synthetic coral and synthetic, water body items which you could put in that. So this is synthetic and that's genuine. So whenever you choose that, you got this container, can you see from this side? Sorry. Choose your items, which are small. You could have a beautiful large piece of coral, but it won't enter your bowl, and also when you add the water, everything becomes enlarged. Now gently, lower it. And then you could add all the garden features except for birds. You could add, crabs, you could add lobsters, you could add a frog if you want, but not a bird because it will look like a drowned, thing inside the water. So whatever is I'm adding crabs. Shells. Still, I think some of them are not very aware that shell is a banned item. Aquariums have stopped selling it, but the other day I went to get some kangar. Kangar is, what this is. So near the Mehroli metro station, or Kutub metro station, there are these people selling stones and tiles and things. So there I saw a bag where they had shells, and I said, "How are you selling it?" He said 400 rupees a kg. He was not aware that that's banned right now. So if you are lucky enough and you don't have shells and you want to, take the risk of getting it from there. Kutub station, where you have the kangar and materials over there where they have tiles and things, so you could collect it from there. Because these shells and all I had procured many years ago, so I was lucky. Once you've done your thing, then you gradually charging.
This is all going to be put on YouTube also. Earlier lectures and things have been put also. So you all can have a recap of this entire program. इसमें तो अभी गप्पी भी डालेंगे ना?
I'll put a fight.
उसी की कमी है बस. मंजू जी फाइटर भी हो सकती है.
हाँ फाइटर गप्पी में हाँ फाइटर सिंगल रहती है फाइटर. यस यू आर राइट फाइटर.
We forgotten actually to bring the cover. You could cover it, but today my fellow, he just got it from temperature. So
उसपे you put those things also ना.
yeah, where you put it on top over there, and now I'll add the fish. Whenever you bring the fish,
Yeah, even.
yeah, I'll do that. Add the water, because I've got the Delhi water and the temperature difference. So just adjust your temperature whenever you buy your fish from the aquarium. When you bring it, it's hot. So when they'll be giving it to you in a polythene bag with oxygen in it. So just, let that water bag be inside a bucket. Don't open it till the temperature is similar. Now lower this so that it gets used to the water out and the water which is inside.
अरे फाइटर ही है.
If he feels he's happy, he'll come out.
Just don't throw it in the water. Let it settle in the water. Throw it in the water.
Yeah.
No, it's
अरे,
caught in the
go
water.
Gone inside. Not happy.
Not happy with the water.
Now it's done.
There.
It's a fighter, and they're beautiful colors, but you can only put one because the name suggests it will fight. So whichever is stronger would kill the other one. I fill the water till the brim. Whenever you feel, you need to change, or there's some leaf which is turning yellow, because even when you buy the water plants from the aquarium, buy that last, like you've gone for shopping, you just haven't gone to the aquarium and you've done your marketing. So do your marketing and then buy off the aquatic plant and the fish last when you're coming home, because otherwise the car with the Delhi food in it, it's one pellet, So you need an air pump, you need a heater, you need a light. But for the fighter, I have left it,